What's up guys? Yes, I'm back. Okay, kali ni aku nak review pasal the craze of the month. Bukan pilihan raya, okay? Tapi pasal nasi lemak burger. Yes, hari ni adalah review pasal nasi lemak burger McDonald. So this is it. Nasi lemak burger. Oh, powder sebiji macam nasi lemak. Okay, kita ada kat sini patty ayam, ada telur, ada timun, ban dan juga sos sambal. Tapi tak ada ikan bilis pula, kurang satu point. Okay, tak apa, kita cuba. Bismillah. Demi patty, chicken patty dia not just normal patty, tapi ayam betul dia guna and very crispy. Dia main batter tu. Let's try another bite. Okay lah. At least it stay to the true form of nasi lemak, kecuali tak nasi or ikan bilis. Oh, wow, ada sambal. Damn, sambal dia mantap juga lah. Cuma tak pedas sangat lah, sebab nak cater untuk semua orang kan. Cuma satu masalah dia, this thing, this burger a la carte saja around RM15, RM15. Damn, mahal gila. And for set, I think around RM70 lah. At RM60 and you get 100 plus. And also fries. Bun ni bukan bun biasa, special bun. Sebab usually McD ada sesame bun, but this one I don't know what the hell on top of it. Aku tak tahu benda ni, but it's really fitting with the rest of it. Actually burger ni quite big lah, quite big and satisfying. Not bad, not bad. You did a good job actually. Oh, sambal dia sebiji exactly sambal nasi lemak. Refreshing. Oh yes, on the last episode I tell you about this steel straw. Belilah steel straw again untuk jaga halus kita. Steel straw is better than plastic straw, so buy steel straw. Boleh recycle, so it's good. Sebab benda ni rare, I think you should go try lah. Rugi sebab next time tak tahu bila lagi diorang nak buat balik kan. But it's a good idea lah. I will not say this is the best nasi lemak burger or whatever, but this is the first one that I try. Not bad, serious not bad. Maybe kalau aku rate daripada 1 hingga 10 kan, aku boleh kasih dalam 7.5. Okay lah, seasonal thing kan, bermusim benda ni. So kalau ada lagi pada masa depan, okay lah. It's a good thing to bring back lah. Tapi kalau tak ada lagi, kalau korang tak rasa lagi, aku rugi lah. So beli. Dia punya patty ayam goreng, dia memang rasa macam ayam goreng yang kita bisa beli dekat kedai bas campur. Tapi sedap lagi lah. Sedap lagi. Okay, packaging on point, saya rasa really nice. Ada ni banana leaf, feeling of bungkus dalam banana leaf lah kawan-kawan. It's good, it's nice. So yes, that's it. Ini adalah the new burger nasi lemak ayam. Go try it before it's too late. Bye bye guys.